show you how to use Keynote to create a little animation of yourself to put over tutorial videos or say hello to students or just to enhance your digital learning with a more personal feel. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your camera roll and find a photo of yourself. And it's really going to help you in Keynote if you outline the photo in black, especially if you have a little bit of a crazy edge hair like I do. So I'm just going to press the edit button and I'm going to use markup to draw a nice bold black line around the edge of my photo. And then you just press done and it'll save it to your camera roll with that nice black outline. Next, I'm going to open Keynote and I'm going to start a blank presentation. I'm going to add my photo from my camera roll. I want that one with the nice black outline. There we go. Now I'm going to use Instant Alpha to remove the background. Now I need to add the body. So to add the body, I'm not very good at drawing people. So I'm going to use one of the Keynote shapes and I'm just going to draw over the top of that. So I'm going to go to plus, the photos, and I'm going to add a drawing. After you finish making them, your head will be separate from your body. Move that down, get it right where you want it, and tap on both, and you can do group. That way, you can move it all around your screen, or when you add your animations, it'll actually move together. I'm just gonna tap it, animate. I'm gonna use skid. And then, maybe I wanna add a little jiggle. You can always test it out. Perfect. Now I'm going to go up here and I'm going to get ready to export this. Since I'm going to use this in iMovie, I'm going to export it as a movie. Depending on where you're going to use it, you might want to do a GIF. If you're going to layer it in Google Slides or in another Keynote presentation, you might want to use GIF. If you're going to put it into another video, then choose movie. So I'm going to leave it on original size. Slide range is on all because I only have one slide. But if you have multiple slides, you want to make sure that you adjust your slide range for what you actually want to show. Save video. Now let's see how it turned out.